All right, what up, y'all? So it's been a cloudy, rainy day, but about to get out the house for a second. Just in case y'all didn't know, I still got these Impala steering wheel emblem things or whatever. So if anybody looking for some of them, let me know. I put the link in the description and all of that. So, cause I got them on eBay, so be easy to find them that way. But yeah, if y'all looking for some of these, let me know. And I want to make something. You see, I can see them. So yeah, 3D emblems. So well, it's domed emblems or whatever, decals. So it's got a clear resin top coat on them. So pretty dope. They mold around the actual, like the Chevy sign that's on the steering wheel. So wrong car, but y'all get the point. But I kind of want to make something like that for the vet, but I don't know what to make. Might do a little GoPro stuff today too. But yeah, I don't know what to make that'll be relevant with this car. This trunk leaking water everywhere. But let me know something if y'all want. If you vet people, I thought about redoing this center cap too, which I probably won't. I might do it for another car, but I put a picture up of my boy got some Sonic logos made for his Charger. So I think I'm gonna get into trying to do that, like custom printing them and all. But yeah, that'll be something else. But yeah, let me know if y'all want something like that, or if you got an Impala and you want the Impala ones. Let me know, cause I got a few. These Dr. Miami hips look good every time I come out here. Every single time. Every time. So, not sure if you saw it, but I've been painting. So, yeah. Not officially doing commissions and nothing like that, but I'm entertaining the option. So, if you want to get something that I already painted, it's a link for that. So you can buy you a copy, buy a canvas or whatever if you want one. Like I said, I'm not 100% on commissions just yet. Not really. I'm kind of just doing this for the fun of it, trying to teach myself how to paint. So it's not at a business point yet. But, if you want something, we can talk some numbers. We can see. But I've been hearing a lot of people telling me about NFTs and selling them and all of that. I don't understand NFTs at all. But if people like buying it, I don't mind selling it. It's just trying to figure out how this stuff works. If y'all know about NFTs, get in here, talk to some people in the comments, talk to me in the comments, because I don't understand them at all. I tried it last night. You gotta have Ethereum or something like that to buy NFTs, which before you can get that, you gotta have like Coinbase. Then when you get Coinbase, you gotta get a Coinbase wallet. They charge you a fee for every step of the way. So, like if you buy some Ethereum, they charge a fee out of that. Then they try to charge you a fee to transfer it from Coinbase to like a Coinbase wallet that you have to use to buy the NFTs. So all of this stuff is way too complicated and way too many steps and too many fees. So I'm not really liking it. But if people are trying to buy them, I want to at least be able to sell them. So let me know what y'all know about NFTs, Coinbase, Ethereum, all this other stuff. Just let me know something, because I have no idea what's going on. So let me know what y'all know. And yeah, about to go for a little ride.